Hello guys, welcome to channel for Mania. In today's video, we are doing the unboxing and the color comparison of the Xiaomi 14 Civi, and this is the matcha green 12GB 512GB, and this is the pre-order goodie, that means the Redmi Watch 3 Active. So guys, let's start off from the unboxing. So here we are getting a seal over here, so let's break it down, and it's done. So the Xiaomi 14 Civi. So this is the box package, and let's see what are we getting over here. So SIM ejector tool over here, and quick start guide, and some ports hiding stickers, and then a case, okay, a transparent case, okay, which is of a different quality, and then the phone itself. Let's keep it over here and let's check. Then we are getting the 67 watt adapter over here, and USB type A to type C data cables as well. You can see this is the matcha green color, so let's peel off. And yes, okay, so this is the matcha green color, and you can see, woof, a premium feel on the frames. Wow, these are the three colors of the Xiaomi 14 Civi, and let's start off from the shadow black, which is a neutral color, and you can see this is the completely settled color, shadow black, and you can see here is this like a thing which is the main highlight, and you can see a Xiaomi logo as well, and you can see the completely neat and clean. It can't distinguish the ports, and you can't see the antennas, and you can see these buttons as well, and you can't see the ports, you can see, and you can see this completely black, and this is the more settled color, and this is obviously a glass back over here, and this does not catch any fingerprints. You can see it's completely neat, and this is also, you can see, no sort of issues, and this is a purely matte kind of finish. I just love how it feels in the hand. So you can see it's really comfortable to hold and all. So that's it. And the next color is the cruise blue color, and this is the variant, and you can see, if you look really close, you can see a dual tone kind of finish, and here it feels a bit of matte versus here it feels of sort of smooth finish over here. But if we feel with hand, you can't distinguish these two designs. It only in the looks we can just distinguish, but if you feel it feels exactly same, you can't feel any difference between these two of them. You can see a minor difference between these two of them. And in terms of the colors, here we can see a textured finish in this area versus a smooth finish over this area, and this is also glass back, and this is also scratch resistant as well, and you can see it's anti-glare, and which looks really cool. Wow. And this is the sides, and you can see, you can easily distinguish the antennas over this one. You can see here is the antenna versus you can't see the antenna, and this is the top portion where you can perfectly see the antennas as well, and this is the bottom, and you can see the perfectly ports, everything is very visible. And this is the right side, the power button, the volume rockers, and two antennas over there. And the next thing is regarding, you can see this camera ring over here, which feels really cool. This has also a ring, but because of the black it can't distinguish, but over here, because of the blue color, this is a bit distinguishable over here, and both have this Xiaomi logo over here. And I would say both are just, if you just do like this, then only it can be seen with the different angles. Next one is my personal favorite, that's the matcha green color, and you can see unique texture on the left side, and you can see a vegan leather on the right side. So this is looks really good, and you can see the Xiaomi logo very clearly on this green color, and at a glance itself you can notice, wow, at a glance itself you can notice this looks really stunning. And you can see these rings are also really visible if you compare with these two colors. And I would say this is approximately 64% biomase material, and this is a unique luster backwards pattern over here. And if you compare this with the blue color, so you can see in the side profile, I just love the blue. If you compare with the green, and all, green looks also cool, but I prefer the blue over the green if you look at the sides. But the back, wow, the green looks stunning. And this is the right side profile, and this is the top, how it looks. And this is the bottom look for both of them. And you can see the camera rings difference between these two of them, and you can see the Xiaomi logos as well. So that's the matcha green color. And one more thing is that actually this is a premium nanotech vegan leather, which is 6x wear resistant, skin friendly, and tear resistant, which is a really good thing for this type of leather material which is used in the back of the phone. And the unique two type of this blend designs, I just love it. And wow, stunning. And the next fact is regarding the specifications of the design, and I would say these two are almost the same because these two shares the same glass design. That's why these two are a bit more slim than the match green color. Actually, the cruise blue as well as the shadow black, just thickness is 7.45 mm. You can see this is really slim and a sleek device. Okay, just 7.45 versus if you compare with the matcha green, this is a bit higher at 7.75. Still, it's really slim, but if you compare to these two guys, this is a bit thicker at 7.75 versus 7.45 for these two of them. But the thing is, because of this leather bag, it weighs really less, just 177.6 grams. This is feather like weight on this matcha green color versus these two guys weighs close to 180, to be precise just 179.3, but it is very evenly distributed, and these weights are very less if you compare with the other smartphones in this price segment and all, and feels really compact to hold with one hand and feels really good in the hands as well. So that's it. And this is the next thing, that's the Redmi Watch 3 Active, which we got for free if you pre-booked the Xiaomi 14 Civi. And you can see this is the left bottom and the right sides, and this comes with a strap almost like the Apple Watch old generations. And you can see this type of thing, and you can attach new straps as well. Here we have the quick features: 200 plus watch faces, 100 plus workout modes, to up to 12 days battery life, 580 water resistance, and you can see 4.6 cm big screen, Bluetooth calling, 24/7 heart rate mode, and SpO2 measurement. So guys, that was it regarding the quick color comparison and a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 14 Civi. So guys, that's it today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.